Breaking news coming in on your screen. The Supreme Court has imposed a 1 lakh rupee fine on 8 Bihar parties, including the BJP, JDU, RJD and Congress, for not disclosing criminal records of their candidates. In a step towards decriminalizing politics, the Supreme Court directed that political parties must publish criminal antecedents of candidates within 48 hours of their selection. The court also said criminal cases against MLAs or MPs cannot be withdrawn without approval from high courts. Nalini Sharma joining us on this. Nalini, take us through the comments coming in from the courts. Take us through a little bit more detail as to what they're saying and how they're cracking down on this.
Well, there's a very important judgment that is coming from the Supreme Court, because not only has the Supreme Court categorically said that any of the cases today that are going on against MPs and MLAs cannot be withdrawn without prior permission coming in from the high courts of the country in a separate PIL, of course. But in this judgment also, talking about decriminalization of politics, the Supreme Court's taken a very stern stand when they've imposed 5 lakh fine on 2 political parties, the CPIM as well as the NCP, and 1 lakh fine on 8 different political parties for their failure to comply with an earlier Supreme Court judgment that compelled them to disclose any criminal antecedents of any of their political party candidates who were standing for the polls. So this was with specific to Bihar polls, but the Supreme Court's taken a very stern view. At the same time, they've also issued very categorical directions to the Election Commission of India to now create a separate mobile app with information of all of these candidates who contest polls from different political parties, so that the voter can be aware of exactly who they are voting for. So this direction to the Election Commission has come in the light of the fact that the political parties themselves are not disclosing these facts on their website and publicly in the media, as was asked by the Supreme Court earlier. But they have also clearly been directed to make such disclosures within 48 hours, along with the directions also issued to the Election Commission.
Absolutely. Nalini, thanks for sharing all those details with us.